All right, hello everyone. I've been getting a ton of requests from my family and friends on how to buy BitcoinZ cryptocurrency. And I'm getting ready to show you the easiest way that you can use your debit and credit card to buy BitcoinZ. The first thing is down at the bottom of the video, I have sent a link to the Stex exchange. I've been using this exchange for probably about 5 or 6 years. It's a really good exchange and it offers the ability to buy with debit and credit cards. So the first thing you're going to do is click the link below, sign up for Stex. So you're going to go up here on the right hand side and sign up. Now, since I already have an account, I'm not going to go through the sign up process, but once you go through that, it's going to ask for all your information. Get signed up for an account. Once you're signed up, you're going to log into your account. So let me log into my account here. Okay, so now I'm logged into my account, and guys, this is super easy. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. It is a couple part step, but it's very easy. The first thing is once you're logged in, you're going to go right up here in the headline where it says buy crypto and click on buy crypto. Okay. The next thing, you'll see all of these different payment providers that will allow you to buy crypto with a debit or credit card. The first thing you're going to do is from this drop down box, select the currency of your country. I happen to be in the United States, so I'm going to pick the US dollar. Notice that it decreased my selections because each one's different. The next thing I'm going to do is what kind of coin am I going to buy? BitcoinZ is not directly available by a debit card. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy Litecoin because there's a Litecoin BitcoinZ pair. And so now we're going to buy Litecoin with our debit card, and then we're going to exchange it for BitcoinZ. Don't worry, it's super simple. I'm going to show you. It's very easy. If you follow this video, nothing to it. So now that I have my United States dollar and my Litecoin, we pick which payment provider. It doesn't matter which one you use. I prefer Simplex because it's really easy to use, but any of the choices are fine. They're all good. So in this case, I'm going to show you Simplex. You just click the buy crypto button and it tells you how much you're going to buy and how much Litecoin. $55 is the minimum amount, so you have to spend $55 or more. But let's say we wanted to buy $60. You just put it in and it'll automatically convert how much Litecoin you're going to get. So for $60, we're going to get 0.254 of Litecoin today at today's price. So for today's example, I'm going to use this. So $60, we now click buy. Again, you can say any amount. If you want to buy $1,000 or $10,000, that's your choice. Once you click that, it's going to ask for your credit card information. I've already put my credit card information in, but it's going to ask for your credit card number. Enter that in. And then down here, your contact details. It's going to ask for your address and that. Fill all of that out. Once you have all your information filled out, you're just going to click down here where it says Pay Now. Okay. It's going to send a verification code to your email. So now you're going to log into your email. Or I'm sorry, this one texted me. I apologize. So it texted me the code 9446. And we hit continue. It's now going to verify the credit card transaction. Okay, so my payment was approved. So now $60 worth of Litecoin is going to show up in my account. So now all I have to do is see this little button that says return to Stex. That's the exchange. We're now going to return to Stex. Okay. When I return to Stex, it actually shows my Litecoin account right here. It hasn't showed up yet. Don't worry, it's okay. When you're dealing with cryptocurrency, it takes a little while for the cryptocurrency to show up in your account. Okay guys, I'm back. Usually it takes a little while for your order to show up. So it's been about maybe 10 or 15 minutes and my Litecoin has showed up. So if you weren't brought back to this section in Stex, I'm going to show you how to get here and how to find your Litecoin really easily. So the first thing I always do is see how it says this hide zero balance. If you hide the zero balance, it will just show you the wallets that you have coins in. And in this particular case, you can see my Litecoin, I now have that 2.52 Litecoin in here. But let's say we weren't here and we need to get here. It's really easy. Up here in the corner where it says your name, just click on your name and click profile. And when you click profile, it brings you right here. And over here on the right, it says balance. Basically, these are all of your wallets. You can see how you can deposit and withdraw into each account. That's all this is this is a place where you have all of your wallets. The reason I start here is I'm going to show you a really, really easy way now to change your Litecoin into BitcoinZ. So the first thing you're going to do is hide your balance or whatever and find your Litecoin wallet. So here's my Litecoin. And right here where it has the ticker symbol of Litecoin, the LTC, you're just going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to show you all the Litecoin pairs. What that means is what kind of coin can you buy with Litecoin. So here you can see the very top pair is Litecoin to BitcoinZ, BTCZ. That's our focus today. So we know that we're going to buy BitcoinZ with Litecoin. So now it's really easy. All we do is click on this pair and it takes us to the exchange for BitcoinZ. See how it says BitcoinZ exchange? You can see we're having a great day today, by the way. We've had over a 200% return on BitcoinZ while I'm making this video. Really, really, really cool. So this is just the chart. You're gonna scroll down here a little bit and you're gonna see right here is your Litecoin balance, that 0.25 number, whatever it is, and your current BitcoinZ balance. Now, normally you would have no balance. I've been buying coins making this video. So right now I have 185,000 coins, but if you're just buying for the first time, this number would be 0 if you had just bought the thing. So now it's really easy. If you want to buy BitcoinZ with your Litecoin, the easiest way is if you know you want to spend all of your Litecoin to buy a BitcoinZ, you can click this button, the amount, and it filled in all the blanks. See there, it put in, for right now, for the amount of Bitcoin, the Litecoin that I have, I'm going to end up getting 252,724 BitcoinZs if I click buy, okay? If I think the price is going to go down and I wanted to change it, I can adjust the price and put in whatever amount I want here. But if you just click this button here, it's going to put in the market rate that is today, and you're more likely to get it filled. But again, that's your choice of what you want to pay. Again, if you put too low of a price, your order may never get filled. It's just like a stock. It may or may not get filled. Same thing by buying this market price. It may or may not get filled, but it's likely to get filled if we click this and do the market price. So now that I've clicked, I want to buy all my I want to sell all my Litecoin to buy BitcoinZ. I just click the buy button. When I click buy, it says order created. And look at that, it starts buying. Now what's cool is you can scroll down a little bit and right here is my open order. So notice here's my order and the price and everything. As this is selling and filling, this will go away. So again, right now I'm waiting for my order to be filled, just like in the stock market. If my order never gets filled, I can cancel my order and change the price, or I can, manipulate the order to where I can get the order filled. And you can see it's buying a little bit. I'm not going to go into real great detail of buy and sell orders. This is how trading works. It's almost like your bid and ask on a stock. But these are all of the BitcoinZ for sale by an individual. And these are all the open buy orders. So again, you can see my order has not filled. If I wanted to fill it really fast, I can cancel it. And I can keep trying by upping the amount. So I click it again, see how it adjusted the price. I click buy again. And maybe now the price has increased. Maybe I'm more likely to get my order filled. So let's scroll down. And still I have an open order. It may take a little while to process. Once it's processed, you can see your Bitcoin balance will show up right here. If you ever want to see it, you can actually just click on it. Remember up here in the top, you click on your name and go to profile. And when you go to profile, here's your balance. Click hide your 0 coins, and you'll see my BitcoinZ wallet has 185,000 coins in it. So now at any time I want to buy or sell BitcoinZ, I can always click on BitcoinZ, and here's the trading pairs for BitcoinZ. I click on BitcoinZ to Litecoin, and the same way that I bought Litecoin, I can sell my BitcoinZ. So I can put in how many BitcoinZ I want or to sell, or I can click sell it all and sell them all. And I hope this video helped on how to buy BitcoinZ. It's a coin that I would tell you to buy and hold. So again, links are in the bottom to the Stacks exchange and other videos about BitcoinZ. So happy holding and look forward to the future.